The Colombian Navy is set to bolster its maritime defense capabilities with the integration of the cutting-edge Bofors 40 Mk4 naval gun system. BAE Systems recently secured a contract with Colombian Naval to supply this advanced weapon, which will be installed aboard the PS frigate, part of the Sigma-class vessel series. This acquisition represents a significant leap in the Navy's ability to counter both aerial and surface threats effectively. The Bofors 40 Mk4, recognized for its adaptability and firepower, has been a preferred choice for naval forces worldwide since its introduction in 2015. With this latest procurement, Colombia becomes the second nation in Latin America to deploy this system, following Brazil's decision to equip its naval fleet with the same weapon for medium and smaller-sized vessels. Stefan Lofstrom, BAE Systems Bofors Marketing and Sales Director, emphasized the company's commitment to enhancing defense capabilities in Latin America. "We are dedicated to being a reliable defense partner in the region, delivering state-of-the-art solutions tailored to meet operational needs," he stated. The Bofors 40 Mk4 ensures rapid response and superior firepower, reinforcing the combat effectiveness of the Colombian Navy. Designed for versatility, the Bofors 40 Mk4 is a lightweight yet powerful system capable of engaging a variety of threats. A key feature of this naval gun is its ability to switch seamlessly between multiple types of ammunition, utilizing programmable 40mm Bofors 3P rounds that offer 6 different modes for optimal performance across various combat situations. Colombian Naval's project director, Jasper O'Reilly, highlighted the strategic importance of this contract, marking the first direct procurement agreement between Colombian Naval and BAE Systems Bofors. The integration of the Bofors 40 Mk4 will significantly enhance the combat readiness of the PS frigate, O'Reilly stated. "We anticipate strengthening our collaboration with BAE Systems as we progress with the PS project." Scheduled for installation in 2029, the addition of the Bofors 40 Mk4 to the Colombian Navy's arsenal underscores the nation's commitment to modernizing its naval fleet and reinforcing maritime security in the region.